is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Lunker Hunt channel. If this is your first time, stick around. You might like what you see. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. What we're doing today is I'm actually going to put a casting deck on the old flat bottom JON boat. I have a 14-foot JON boat. It's a little bit wider. It's about a 5-foot wide. I said, hey, why not make this thing overlap just the edge a little bit, give you a little bit more room, be able to put a lot of different modifications on the front of there. When you're waiting on batteries to charge, sometimes you got to go with the manual labor. Basically going to anchor that there. So I have these little brackets here. Of course, I have these straps, just hanging strap right there. Now I'm going to go get this taken care of and see if we can move on. I'm getting closer. I got my whole platform cut out, ready to set on top. Now I'm just putting the braces. I mean, these boards are solid. They're not going anywhere. You can wiggle it as hard as you want. So I'm gonna put two more right here, one in the middle, one in the middle. I'm gonna make sure and measure everything so that I actually can have a hatch built in, put some baits, tackle box, extra battery, first aid kit, whatever it may be. Son. Good morning, everybody. That is a 12-foot piece of carpet. That is a 5-foot bed. Needless to say, I looked really funny because this thing was sticking out like way back there. But hopefully we're gonna get finished with this thing today, son. Oh, a little something like this. Cutting the excess off and then putting the brackets in. I'm gonna have a latch somewhere in the middle, I believe. And all right, guys, here's an update. I even have the straps on the end of these right into that bench there on the what you about to do, wiggle the boards?
Yeah.
Cool. It is coming along. I'm about to do the hardest part, which is cutting that hatch door in. It's kind of a one-shot deal, or go get a new piece of plywood and remeasure. Wish me luck. Well, there's the cut. Moment of truth. I'm about to stick it on here and see if it's actually right. Man, I hope it is. Woohoo! Look at that. We are about to screw all this stuff down. Oh! There's that top view right there. Man, you gotta love it when something happens the first time the way it's supposed to. I'm so glad I didn't have to recut that. You can always put a seat right here in the future. I want that to be a good standing area. I'm gonna be set up right. I got her fastened down. She's looking good. I'm gonna clean the surface off, and then we're gonna put the old carpet down. We'll get it knocked out, son. Oh, say what? We're just finishing up. I'm putting the staples in and across here. And then I got to trim that hole out. Get on out of there. The last few staples. Catfish sandwiches. Them last few staples up in there. Just for good measure. Oh no. Uh-oh. Voila, folks, look at there. We got us a little hatchety hatch. I got a hatch. Well, we'll see you later, Creed. All right, lock it, Blue. He gone. What's up, y'all? I think we got this front casting deck wrapped up. Beautiful. Got the fake green grass. We got a little hatch in here with a handle. Everything looks great, son. Whew, next project, this little square, that little square right there. Basically have a brand new boat. What? Get on up out of there, son.
Please subscribe to this YouTube video. Please hit that notification bell on the way out. Please head over to Lunker Hood channel to subscribe, and St. Patrick's Day's not here yet.
But we got a green boat, don't we? Oh, I hope y'all enjoyed this do-it-yourself flat bottom John boat slash whatever. I might sleep here on this new grass and enjoy it myself. So peace out till the next one. Get out of there, son.